Dear aspirants, while mentioning about the hobbies, some people are in doubt whether they should mention the hobby of cooking or not. When a candidate is in doubt about his hobbies and just he writes cooking because he knows how to cook Maggie or he knows how to boil a glass of milk or maximum able to prepare a cup of coffee. That is not cooking. It is just to manage or to just trying to become self-sufficient at times. But I must share with you, cooking is a great art and it has to be learned in a nice and proper manner. You have to be very clear. If you say cooking, you can be asked a question. Which kind of food you cook? Indian, Mughlai, Thai, Chinese, or something like that. You have to be clear. When you say, okay, most of the people, they either say Mughlai or Indian or Chinese also. It can be anything. But then you should know what are the ingredients of that particular dish. Which oil you have to use. What type of finishing you have to do, whether you have to cut big pieces or small pieces, and what all you have to be is to be part of the gravy, how the gravy has to be made. And even before that, like they have to prepare that particular thing. When you, let us say, when you prepare the chicken, then it is not that you just cut it and cook it. You have to prepare it well and you have to condition it. A paste of garlic, curd, salt, all these things are mixed, put around, conditioning is done for the chicken and then it is prepared. Gentlemen, you should know who are the famous cook who can be seen on the screen, TV screen basically. I think generally in the afternoon there are programs. Then you should know their specialty. You should also know that which are the books available in the market on the subject of cooking. That you should know. You should also know that which all competitions or shows are being conducted, like MasterChef, Sanjeev Kapoor's program, Tarla Dalal's program. All these you should know. And in case if you have participated in a particular program or a competition of cooking, you should be able to tell which dish you tried and how you fared in that particular event. You should be able to mention in case you have got a special recipe, that you should be able to mention it. And one more thing, you should be able to give your comments about the food which the SSB mess is providing you. You should have at least 4 or 5 suggestions how food can be improved. I still remember I had one of my senior who could cook the food in much better and delicious way than our mess cook special. I tried to pick up this hobby from him, but yes, I cannot reach to his level. But yes, it makes me self-sufficient when I have to cook my food. And as an infantry officer, one should know how to cook food for himself. नहीं तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपको भूखा रहना पड़ जाए. खाना बनाना आना चाहिए, बहुत अच्छी आर्ट है और एक खासियत है, अपने बने हुए खाने को आप कभी खराब नहीं बता पाएंगे. थैंक यू.